Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. If this is your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong July. So, let's see ano bang meron, anong paparating. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so again, sa mga ayaw makinig, you can skip the video sa reading. Okay, so sa mga interested, so here they are. Yes, yung ating mga items, no, yung charms. So meron tayong protection from evil eye. Okay, so ring, we do have ring. This is adjustable, yung ring natin. Yung ating mga bracelet, so meron tayong adjustable and garterized. So same silang unisex. This is available sa red string po. Okay, ito yung merong initial na ilalagay kami. And syempre, yung ating necklace. So yung necklace is ganyan. This is minimalist lang, oo. So, this is unisex, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, so this is 2 years na itong aking necklace. Okay, yung ating evil eye necklace. By the way, so ito naman, yung ating bago, o yung merong citrine for money. Okay, money magnet. Nag-a-act as money magnet ang ating citrine stones. Okay, this is love and money bracelet. Okay, so unisex. Yes, bakit unisex? Kung lalaki ka, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa pouch. Red pouch. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple, hindi natin papakomplikaduhin. Oo, so I need your real name kung ito ang iyong pa-purchase. Lahat naman actually. And syempre, kung ito ay inyong ipangre-regalo, yung name po nung pagre-regaluhan ang ibibigay nyo sa akin, ha? Okay, hindi po yung name nyo, syempre. Okay? So, oo. So, ganyan siya. Sa mga nagtatanong, this is 7 inches long. Mula dito sa may lock. Okay, dito sa lock hanggang dito sa pagkakabitan. Okay, hindi po siya garterized, hindi rin siya adjustable. Okay, so again, kung hindi magkasya man sa'yo, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, so wala namang problem doon. So ganyan siya pag nakasuot. This is so nice. Ganyan siya, oh. Okay, so again, meron siyang citrine stones, nag-a-act as what? Money magnet. This is for abundance, prosperity, hindi lang money, meron pang love. Okay, so yan siya. Kaya 2 in 1 po, no? The best of both worlds. So, next is yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, again, yung taga-grant po, ng inyong mga minamanifest. And, kailangan yung protektahan ang inyong frequency by using evil eye protection. So, kung ano man ang magagrant niya, buo pa rin kung sakali. Okay? So, mas maganda, meron kayong protection frequency, sa frequency. Okay po? So, same lang dito. Same lang dyan. Okay? So, pwede to sa business po, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. And yes, yung ating cord cutting, pangtanggal, pangtaboy, MALAS. Okay, so para siyang magbibigay ng swerte. Alisin niya yung nagbibigay ng hindi maganda, yung kaalatan. Yes, so pwede siya sa business, pwede siya sa bahay, pwede siya pang sarili. Okay po, so yun lamang. Okay, so let's start. Let's start the reading for you, Sagittarius. Kung mayroon po mga tanong pa, message lang po sa ating FB page. Okay, wag po sa comment section. Kahit ang dami kong nakikitang nagtatanong sa comment, hindi ako nagre-reply. Opo, kasi sinasabi ko naman palagi, no, na wag sa comment section, hindi po namin kayo re-replyan. sa PM po. Ha? Ang mga nagre-reply sa comment section tungkol sa mga inquiries nyo is scammers. Tandaan nyo. Kaya sinasabi ko, wag kayong mag-chat. Wag kayong mag-comment. So, let's see. What's for you in general, Sagittarius? Ngayong July. So, what's coming in? Anong energy surrounding Sagittarius placements? Ngayong July. The Page of Cups. A love interest. There's this love interest or pwedeng I don't know what's with this Page of Cups. The King of Swords universe. Yeah, I think this person is too shy to come forward, no, pagdating sa iyo. They're shy. Ang nakikita kong energy sa taong to is somebody na parang timid. Shy type. Wallflower. Parang may ganang wallflower. Okay? The Ace of Wands. Yeah, they have interest. They're interested in you. I think this is a new person. So, some of you, there's this new person or there's this new energy, new connection coming in ngayong July. Okay? Yeah. A new love interest. So, could be age gap difference. So, you could have age gap. Age differences could be. Mas bata or maybe ikaw yung mas bata. Okay, let's see who else or what else is coming in ngayong July. Okay, the King of Cups. There's a lot of people ngayong July para sa mga Sagittarius placements. What's with this King of Cups? The Six of Wands. Ikaw itong parang kaiinggitan ngayong July. I don't know kung saang parte, kung saang aspeto. Okay? Mas tatangkilikin ka in general. Mas tatangkilikin kaya justice is here. Okay? Papabor sa'yo ng papaborang energy ngayong July. Okay? Whether this is talking about love, finance, kung ano man. Okay? This is nice though. Yeah, the Emperor. Death. I think this is talking about status na tumataas. Okay? Mayroong pagbabagong mangyayari, could be. Pwedeng madadala mo yung energy mo pataas. Parang ganyan. Yeah, see? Now, the Eight of Wands. Energy yan ng pataas. Okay? So, forward movement, mga ganyang bagay. So, makakakuha ka ng jealous, na mga nasa paligid, envy, mga ganyang tao. Oo. So, ganun talaga. No, kapag tayo ay kaunting-kaunti lang na sabihin nating may pag-angat na nangyayari, hindi mawawala yung mga yon. No? So, para ka magiging apple of the eye ngayong July. Sag. Okay? So, what else? For Sagittarius. Okay, the Ace of Swords. I'm hearing transformation. I don't know kung ano yun. Some of you, this is proposal or energy ng promotion. Okay, somebody will express then or magiging open pagdating sa feelings niya. Could be a water sign or an air sign. Okay, there's this new connection coming in. There's a lot of connection na pwedeng mangyari ngayong July para sa inyo, Sag. Ace of Swords. What's with this Ace of Swords? Oh, some of you makakaalis na sa mga addiction or malilesen the bisyo, the vices, mga ganyan. Okay, some of you will think healthy. Oo. Thinking about fitness, parang mga ganyan. No, may mga babaguhin pagdating sa kung ano man yung mga nakasanayan. Okay, may mga tatapusin, may mga i-end. I don't know if this is talking about something na nagbibigay ng toxic or negative energies sa'yo. Okay, so yeah, this could be situation, person, mga ganyang bagay. May mga ika-cut off ka. Yeah. For the better. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Some of you, may mga matapos ng kaso ngayong July. Pwedeng ikaw is mananalo from a Libra, a Capricorn, Aquarius is here. Okay? Or maybe, ikaw itong parang makakaalis or magiging free, no? Free from those energies. Okay? Yeah. Iba sa inyo talagang matagal mo to na parang inaral. Okay? So, yeah. The Ten of Cups is here. Wow. I'm hearing then energy of migration. Okay? And ang tawag dito, visa. Okay? Visa to travel. Yeah. That's specific, not for all. Ngayong July. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Okay? So, next, let's go sa person on your mind, Sagittarius. The person on your mind. Diba? Let's see. Who is this person? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who is this person? Who is this? Sag. Anong energy niya? The Nine of Cups Universe. Ito yung taong hindi mo nakuha. Unfulfilled wish. Okay, hindi mo siya makuha. Why? Pwedeng maraming katunggali. Okay, maraming katunggali. The Six of Wands in reversed. Or maybe, hindi lang talaga siya available. Gusto mo yung person na to, pero hindi mo makuha kasi hindi pwede or hindi siya available. Yeah, some of them I'm hearing a single parent. Okay, they could have kids. So, what's the situation? What's the situation? Anong kailangan mong malaman, Sag? The Seven of Wands in reversed. Okay, the Three of Swords. Some of you, sinasabi or ina-advise dito kung alam mo naman ang situation. Kung alam mo rin na hindi dapat ito ilaban or ipilit, gawin mo. Ha? Okay, some of you, there could have, there could be a third party involved. Pero yeah, you love the person. Pero I can't. Oh, hindi ko makuha yung taong to kasi ganito ang sitwasyon. Hindi pwede or ang dami talagang nakapaligid-ligid. No? Oo. So, hindi po ina-advise na ito ay ipaglaban mo. Okay, the Seven of Wands is here in reversed. Kanya-kanya po, ha? Kanya-kanya na sitwasyon. Kasi third party is pinapalawak ko. Ayoko nung nagfo-focus lang sa, ay, alam ko na yan, kabit. No. Third party for me is pwedeng trabaho, could be bisyo, barkada, pamilya, kung ano man na pwedeng nagsisilbing parang hadlang dito sa connection para ang tawag dyan, maging okay, mag-progress, parang ganyan, no? So, let's see, ano bang emosyon niya? Anong emosyon ng taong to para sa'yo? Oo, bibigyan kita ng isipin. Oo, bibigyan kitang isipin, ha? Tingnan natin. Bubungkalin natin kung ano bang emosyon talaga sa'yo ng taong to. Oh my God. Magagalit kayo. Bakit mo pa kasi binungkal, Miss Pia? Kasi gusto ko, no, 'di ba? Emosyon, gusto nila na magbigay ng chance dito. Gusto nila 'to. The Six of Pentacles. Pero I can't. 'Di ba? The King of Cups in reverse. Hindi siya available emotionally, pero yes, they want this connection. Pero yeah, there's a lot na pwedeng nakakapagbigay ng hadlang sa sitwasyon. No, so anong advice, Sag? Anong advice for Sagittarius placements? Ay, the lovers. Okay. What's with the lovers? What's with this? The Wheel of Fortune. This is a strong connection. Ay, meron pa dito. Ten of Pentacles. This person loves you. Pero alam ng taong to kung ano ang kailangan at kung ano ang dapat. Kaya pwedeng ina-advise sa'yo, you don't need to put or exert effort here. Dahil hindi kailangan. Yeah, maliwanag naman sa atin, kinuha lang natin na you love the person, they love you. Pero hindi sila available emotionally or open. Okay? So, this is like a divine timing. This is not the right timing for you guys. No? So, ang nakikita ko is learn the lesson kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng connection nito. This is like karmic connection. So, for me, learn the lesson. Kung anong nangyari sa sitwasyon ninyo, kung bakit hindi naging okay whatsoever, kung ano ba ang naibigay sa inyong lesson ng connection na to, mas magandang i-apply nyo sa sarili nyo. Okay? I-apply sa kung saan pwedeng i-apply. Ang dami pong nakikita kong lesson. Okay? Ang dami. Nagkaroon ng codependency dito. Some of you, hindi mo kailangang dumepende. Yun ang isang lesson. Sinabi ko na. Okay? Learning from a karmic connection, dapat kayo mismo ang makakakita para makaalis kayo. Okay? Kung anong kailangan mong matutunan, ikaw dapat ang makakaalam nun. Kasi hindi mo matuturuan yung sarili mo kung sasabihin lang din sa'yo. Kung anong dapat mong makita at matutunan sa connection. Ayoko nun, hindi yun no. Well, kaya nga dapat ikaw ang makakaalam. So kung hindi mo malalaman, hindi mo titingnan, hindi mo aaralin, well, good luck. Okay? Good luck. Yun. So, para kang nakastuck doon sa tao. Yes. Anyway, so, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng isa. Isa pang energy for Sagittarius. This is maikli lang. Kasi masyadong mahaba yung nauna. Tingnan natin. Energy, anong meron dito sa person na kailangang malaman ng mga Sagittarius? Okay, the person on your mind, check lang natin siya. Sag, the person on Sagittarius mind, please. Okay, so pwedeng tinalikuran mo na to or hindi ka na ganun ka-hopeful. Pwedeng hindi mo na siya inihintay. The Three of Wands in reverse. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Parang wala nang mangyayari, feeling mo. Some of you, walang naibigay na maganda sa connection itong taong to. Okay? So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya ngayon? The Moon, the Knight of Wands. So, ganun pa rin siya. So, parang, meaning to say, parang walang nangyayaring bago. Kung ano man kayo before, nagkahiwalay kayo if ever, may chance ganun pa rin siya. No improvement, no progress at all. Some of them, they have a lot of regrets over this situation. The Justice is here in reverse. The Knight of Wands in reverse. The Moon, some of them, they're in a relationship na pwedeng wala ring pinatutunguhan sa ngayon. Okay? Or pwedeng wala silang makatagpong. Pwedeng makarelasyon ng matino. Okay, I think the karma is kicking their ass right now. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Okay, karma is kicking their ass right now. Okay, so advice for you. Yeah, the Ace of Cups. That's healing, self-love. Okay. Yeah, and magkaroon ng bagong panimula pagdating sa buhay. Wala ka nang hinihintay dito. Okay po, yeah, the world. Accept kung anong meron. Maging open sa mga bagong paparating this July. I think there's someone else new coming in. So, wag mong lagyan ng hindrance or kung ano man blockages yung sarili mo. Kung ikaw itong parang mai-stuck sa connection na to, wag mong bigyan, ha? So, maging open, focus on healing if you're interested on new energies na paparating ngayong July. Okay? So, there. Let's see. Yeah, that's a player. That's a player. Niloko ka ng taong yun. Okay? So, ngayon, punta tayo sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pisces. Aries through Pisces. I'm sorry. Kumusta naman ang inyong araw? Kumusta ka? So, let's see. Aries, they doesn't want any kind of drama. Taurus is avoiding you. Gemini feels stuck. They want another chance with you. Cancer is so sad, feeling incomplete. Maybe without you, they want another chance, I guess. Leo, there could be third party involved. Meron dito ako nakikita na pwedeng may ma-friend zone. Virgo, they're trying to avoid kung ano man yung challenges na ipinapakita or binibigay sa kanya ni universe. Yeah. Libra, okay, commitments. They want commitments. Okay, they're open. Scorpio, they're sad kasi wala ka. Okay, deep down they're sad. Sagittarius, hot and cold. Capricorn, they still love you. Yeah, but they're trying to avoid na maging open pa rin emotionally. Aquarius, they want your attention. Pisces, there's this energy of being scared or kung ano man with this Pisces, no? Parang meron siyang kailangang sabihin or i-share, parang meron siyang gustong makita, parang ganyan, pero parang wag na lang. Parang ganon. They're afraid then of abandonment. Yeah, they have abandonment issue. Ang dami ko nang sinasabi. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you. Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.